Hello everybody and welcome to a brand new DeversiFi tutorial. Today I'm going to show you some cool yield farming opportunities and just sort of explain what exactly is yield farming in reference to Ethereum and DeFi and other crypto related stuff. So basically yield farming is when you use your liquidity or your assets and you kind of give them to a protocol in a way to earn a passive income or a type of a dividend, if you will. This is a very, very popular way to earn a lot of money right now. It's extremely popular. Some of the interest rates that you can earn for passive income sometimes go up to as high as 20, 30, 40%, sometimes even 100%. The thing you really have to be careful about when exploring yield farming opportunities is getting into really sketchy coins. A lot of the times they will want you to provide liquidity with their brand new token with your Ethereum, and one day they just might pull the rug and do a liquidity exit scam where they basically crash the price and you're going to be caught holding a bunch of those extra tokens and losing all that money due to impermanent loss. If you don't know what impermanent loss is, check out the other video that we have up about impermanent loss to help you better understand what that is. So let's just go over and check out some cool opportunities right now with one of the most popular websites going out right now. It's Yearn Finance. So this one is Yearn.finance. If you go over here, you can just connect your wallet with MetaMask, or we can go straight over here into their vaults. They're even advertising earn 39% more in weekly fees staking with Yearn. So as soon as we connect, you can see the growth for some of these items in here. These ones are for the asset you can see is YVE curve-ETH. So some of these tokens to get into can be a little bit confusing if you don't completely understand how to do everything. It's just going to take you all a little bit of time if you're totally new. But for people who maybe you just have some USDC, some US dollar coin, you can see the growth here is at 15.58%. So that is that's pretty good right now. Scrolling down here, we have just so many other assets, even DAI, 1-inch token. We even have wrapped Bitcoin earning interest at 5.44%. So if you have some Bitcoin, you can wrap it up and supply it here for even that much interest. I think you guys basically get the point here. Let's go into an example of something a little bit cooler, if you will, for providing liquidity to actually yield farm, besides just coming to a site like this one with an asset and then just sort of depositing it. So this one here is Pop token. It's relatively new, very, very popular right now. If we go over to its market, I have to connect my wallet here. Let's go in and connect that wallet. As you can see here, for the farming rate right now, the time remaining for the live Genesis pool, and this, what you will be farming here is these Pop tokens, as you can see. So you will be getting a payout in Pop tokens, and it says the interest rate right now is going at 958% per year. The thing about this, you guys, is that the interest rate does fall off very, very fast. So it may only be like this for a week, maybe a month, but who knows, maybe it may only drop down to about 200%, and that'll still be extremely, extremely nice. So what you can do here to start farming Pop, as you can see, it wants you to supply Pop/ETH into the pool. You can click on add liquidity to Uniswap here. You can farm, drop in some rewards, claimer rewards or unstaker rewards here. So if we click on this add liquidity button on Uniswap, it's going to take us straight to the pool. So again, when you're providing liquidity on Uniswap, you have to do a 50-50 range. So if I wanted to do $1,000 total, I'd have to do $500 in Pop token and another $500 worth of Ethereum. I don't know how much money $500 worth of Pop token is. For this example, I'll just put in, say, about 10 pop tokens. And as you can see here, I've never done this before, so I have to give Uniswap my approval to supply these pop tokens. So I can click on that. And right now the transaction fee is going to be about $7. I actually really don't want to go through with this yield farming opportunity, so I'm going to reject this first approval transaction. But for you all who do want to participate in things like this, you will need to approve this first transaction, and after that goes through, you can supply with the next one. After you supply your assets to Uniswap, what Uniswap will end up giving you back in return is something called a liquidity providers token. Those are also known as LP tokens. So what you'll do with that LP token that you have here, as you can see, you have an LP balance, is you'll just click on this farm button right here, and you're just going to give this protocol pop protocol here, this pop smart contract, you're going to give it that LP token, and in return it's going to start paying you out in those pop tokens, and you can just claim them as frequently or as unfrequently as you want. One of the other really cool DeFi opportunities that people are doing with providing liquidity and yield farming is going into things like Compound and MakerDAO, and a big one here that's up and coming is called AAVE. So I'm just going to go in and enter the app. I'm on aave.com, AAVE. Enter this app here, and make sure I'm going to be on the AAVE V2 marketplace. If you know how to get on the Polygon market for lower transaction fees, you can definitely do that over there. But I am not on the Polygon market, and I've already got my wallet connected here. So I'm just going to stay on this the most recent version, this version 2 market. It's got $10 billion locked up inside of this market right now, so that's pretty cool. One thing a lot of people do here for an opportunity is they will, for example, let's say you were a massive basic attention token holder, and you just had maybe, you know, for some reason you bought all the basic attention tokens when they were a penny, and now they're worth a couple of bucks, right? And you've got $5,000 worth of basic attention tokens. In my example, I have a little bit of Link, so let's just take Chainlink for example. What you can do here is you can actually deposit your Chainlink. If I click on maximum, I can deposit all of these Chainlinks here, and if I click on continue, let's deposit that. It's going to charge me a pretty hefty depositing fee because the smart contract is pretty steep to get into, it seems, or it's just got a lot to go through. I'm going to actually reject this because I don't want to completely deposit my Chainlink into this AAVE protocol here, so I'm going to reject it at this point right now. But after you have your money deposited inside of here, you can actually come over to this borrow area. As you can see over here, it's already highlighted right over here for me. I don't have any Chainlink deposited, so I can't borrow any collateral with my deposited Chainlink. But if I had deposited some Chainlink, I could then start borrowing other assets. So what a lot of users will do is, if they were a really big holder of whatever token, they may deposit it in here and then take out a loan of some stable coins, and then with those stable coins they can go and spend them on whatever other coins they want. This is a really good way to not spend your underlying asset and unlock the liquidity within it. So if I wanted to take out maybe an extra $1,000, I could just, you know, deposit these Chainlinks in here and then use it as collateral to take out a loan of 1,000 USDC. Alright, that's going to conclude this tutorial for today. I hope it was informative for you all and you all learned something new. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a comment down below and click that like button for the algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.